Now, Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-Degree Guarantee, sponsored by your Wisconsin Chevy Super Dealers.
Southeast winds keeping it cooler by the lake this afternoon, but that southeast wind will be much stronger tomorrow, and it'll have a bigger impact well inland compared to what we're seeing today. Right now, near the lake, upper 30s to upper 40s. Well inland, temperatures are in the lower to mid 60s. In Appleton, it is 61 degrees with mostly sunny skies. It's 59 in Green Bay with lots of sunshine and southeast winds at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, the first part of this big storm that's going to move through over the next several days actually moves in tonight towards tomorrow morning in the form of some showers and thunderstorms. You can see there on the high-res future radar, so maybe a rumble of thunder, a flash of lightning, and some brief heavy rain at the leading edge of much warmer air that's going to surge north into Wisconsin ahead of the storm tomorrow. We had 50s and 60s today away from the lake, but to our south, temperatures were in the 70s, close to 80 from Iowa down into Missouri. That warm air being transported north on very gusty winds. We have wind advisories, high wind watches, and high wind warnings all over the place to our south and west, and we will see very gusty winds as we head into tomorrow afternoon, at times 30 to 40 miles per hour, and it's going to be a southerly or a southeasterly wind, and that southeast wind will bring cooler air in from the lake all the way to the Fox Valley. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 60s. Inland, though, well away from the colder waters of Lake Michigan, most spots will be in the lower to mid 70s. So the record high tomorrow is 75 degrees. If we had a southwest wind, that record would be in jeopardy, but the southeast wind off the lake keeps that record safe, at least for another year. Now, when this type of warm weather moves north this early in the season, yes, we're going to be talking about thunderstorms. The greatest threat for severe weather is going to be well to our south, where a significant outbreak is possible of both damaging winds and tornadoes across parts of Iowa, Missouri, and Illinois. That activity will lift north into Wisconsin tomorrow night. And as it does so, it will be weakening. We've got a marginal risk for severe weather, which means if the storms can hold together, we could have some gusty winds and some hail. You can see those storms developing on Skycast tomorrow afternoon and evening, and then shifting north into Green Bay. Late tomorrow night or early Saturday morning, we'll see sun and clouds on Saturday with a chance for additional showers and maybe a thunderstorm and very gusty winds, 40 to 50 miles per hour out of the south and west. So this storm is going to produce all different types of weather. The gusty winds may kick off some ice shoves, and then on the back side of it, a little bit of light snow is possible. The computer forecast models have backed off a bit from what they were showing yesterday, but we could see patchy dusting to a ½ an inch across the area Sunday morning. So tonight, a shower or a thunderstorm is possible late towards daybreak, upper 30s to lower 40s for lows. Tomorrow, windy and warm, sun and clouds, and then a chance for thunderstorms after sunset with a huge range of temperatures. I'm going 64 for my 3-degree guarantee. Wish me luck. It's going to be a tough forecast. I hit the high today, said 58. The high was 60, so we donated $100 to Child Care Resource and Referral. We'll see 60s on Saturday, much cooler weather on Sunday, and then some 50s once again by early next week before a more potent storm, a colder storm, moves in on Thursday. We'll be right back.
After President Trump fired the first shot in a global trade war on Canadian goods,